Welcome to this video. In the past videos, I always showed you how you could use the nano tags with the npm install. But now we want to try to implement nanosites in an HTML environment, meaning there is no npm, no node, but a CDN. We can use any CDN provider like JS Delivery to implement a script tag and then easily use the nanosites tags there. So stick with me and I will show you how we can do this. To start, we can create a new project in our nanosites dashboard. For this, we can give it a name, something like HTML test, and a website URL. For this, I deployed a HTML site to Vercel. I can now copy the domain, head back over to my dashboard, and paste this line here. This will create my project, and now I can go into it. So let's start with the analytics. If we go into it, we see the instructions we need to follow to enable the NanoAnalytics. Because we don't have npm, we can skip the first instruction and head straight over to the next one. And this is embedding the tag. So I will grab the HTML and paste it into my website. If I now inspect the dev tools, I can see that no request has been made. And that is because we don't have the package installed. But of course, we can use the CDN, and this comes in really handy. To enable the CDN, we can go to the documentation. So if we go into the tags and in the analytics tag, we would see that normally we would use these import statements at the top. But now we can use the CDN usage and grab this ESM module import and put it right under my nano tag. If you now go to the DevTools again, we can see that, of course, there has been a request made. This is of status 400 because the localhost domain doesn't match the one we provided in the project settings. But if we deploy the changes we made now live, we can see what happens. As you see, I have a new deployment in my Vercel dashboard. So if we check out the live site, we can now inspect the DOM again and see in the network tab that hopefully a request has been made. And as you see, it has been successful. So the last step is just to refresh the dashboard. And let's hope for the best. And as you see, there is our visitor and the 2 pages we just made. And everything works just as expected. And that's already it. We just had to embed the tag and use the CDN. As you see, nanosites is able to fit in every environment. Whether you're using the npm install or it via CDN. You can use it everywhere. So what are you waiting for? Try it yourself. Have a nice day and see you.